Hi students, today the topic we are going to discuss about the universe and solar system in geography. Okay, this is the geography first lesson for you. Okay, so what is universe? Okay ma'am. So universe is the big area, that means vast area. It is in space. Okay, so that is called universe. Okay, that means vast expansion of space. Largest area covered in space is known as universe. Okay, so most astronomers believe that the universe came into existence after the Big Bang explosion that took place about 15 million years ago. Okay, so what is meant by Big Bang? Okay, Big Bang theory. Okay, so why they are astronomers saying that the 15 millions of years before it came, universe came, how it came? Okay, that we are going to see. And so Big Bang theory. So that means sun is a huge ball, okay, like a ball. So when it exploded, okay, burst, okay, after it becoming huge and huge, one stage it become explode, okay, that so it burst. So that time lots of rocks thrown outside, okay, lots of rocks thrown outside. So that is called as the planets, okay, planets and also galaxies, comets, asteroids, like that we are calling. Okay, so this is called Big Bang theory. Okay, so huge exploitation, that means huge burst of the sun. Okay, that only later it became the planets. Okay, so uh, so 15 billions of years before it happened. Okay, so what are the universe consist of? Okay, so they on space, the space whole area we call it as universe. So what it consists? Okay, billion of galaxies, stars, planets, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural natural satellites. Okay, so what is meant by galaxies? Okay, consists of million of galaxies. So cluster of star is called galaxy. Okay, ஸோ ஸ்டாரு கூட்டமாக இருக்கிறத தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்லுவோம், கேலக்ஸின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா, தென் ஸ்டார்ஸ், பிளானட்ஸ், காமெட்ஸ் அண்ட் அஸ்ட்ராய்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் மெட்ராய்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் நேச்சுரல் சேட்டலைட்ஸ். காமெட்ஸ் வால் நட்சத்திரம்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அது. அஸ்ட்ராய்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் மெட்ராய்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் என்னென்னா அதுலேருந்து செதறினதில் சின்ன சின்ன ராக்ஸ். ஓகே, we call it as asteroids. Okay, and natural satellites, that moon for us satellite. Okay, moon நம்ம earthக்கு என்னது ஒரு satellite. ஓகேவா, ஸோ இதெல்லாம் என்ன சொல்லுவோன்னா satellites அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவோம். ஓகே, so these are collectively called as celestial bodies. Okay, so what are that celestial bodies? Galaxy, stars, planet, comets, asteroids, meteoroids, and natural satellites. Okay, these are collectively called as celestial bodies. Okay, which are located far away from each other. So each and every one are located in long distance. Okay, so this is measured the distance between the celestial bodies in the light year. Okay, a light year is the unit, okay, to measure the distance from the celestial bodies. Okay, so next is galaxy. Yeah, a galaxy is a huge cluster of stars, okay, group of stars which are held together by gravitational force. Because of gravitational force it has cluster. Okay, so most of the galaxies are scattered in space. Okay, but some remain in groups. Okay, so most of the galaxy, if night and night time if you see, means it is in a way of cluster. Okay, so Some of the remains as groups. Some of the stars only in a group. So mostly if we see means they are in a cluster. Okay. So the Milky Way galaxy was formed about 5 millions after the Big Bang explosion. So after the Big Bang explosion, it taken to form a 5 million years. Okay. So our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system also one of the part of Milky Way galaxy. Okay. So Andromeda galaxy is the nearest to the Earth. On galaxy Andromeda, okay, that galaxy is nearest to the Earth. And apart from the Magellanic Clouds galaxy, okay, apart from the Magellanic Clouds galaxy, we can see, okay. Hierarchy of the universe அதாவது பார்த்திங்கன்னா மேலேருந்து அடுக்கடுக்காக வர்றது, பெரியதுலேருந்து சின்னதாக வர்றது தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோன்னா hierarchy of the universe அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்லுவோம். So first one is universe. What is the hierarchy of the universe? First one is universe, big one, then galaxy, then solar system, then planets, then satellites. Okay. So we have seen about we have discussed about universe, galaxy too, and now we are going to discuss about solar system. Okay. The word solar, okay, it is derived from the Roman word that is sol, which means sun god. Okay. So mostly the name of the planets and all, they kept it from the Roman word only. Okay. So they are based on god, they are kept the name. Okay. Sol means sun god. Okay. So it is derived as solar. Okay. The solar system is believed to have formed about 4.5 million years ago. So it has taken the period, that means they have formed in about 4.5 million years ago. Okay. So the solar system is a gravitationally bound system which comprises of the sun and the 8 planets, dwarf planets, satellites, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. Okay. So solar system have the what it comprises of sun, the 8 planets, dwarf planets, satellites, comets, asteroids and meteoroids. Okay. So the sun. So we will see about the solar system. Okay, what it consists of, and about that one we are going to discuss. So the sun is at the center of the solar system. Okay. So it is the center, the sun is in a center portion of the solar system. Okay. So each member of the solar system revolves around the sun. Each member, all the planets. Okay. So it revolves around the sun only. Okay. So each member of the solar system revolves around the sun. So the sun is so huge that it accounts for 99.8% of the entire mass of the solar system. Okay. So on that, sun is the huge one, biggest one. Okay. So it accounts for 99.8% in the solar system. Okay. Entire mass area of the solar system. And the sun is made up of the extremely hot gases and like hydrogen and helium. Okay. So the sun has the gases like hydrogen and helium. Okay. So it is extremely hot one also. Okay. So is it a sun is a star? Sun is a star or not, Kanna? Yes, sun also one of the star. Okay. So sun is also one of the star. So it is self-luminous, so it gives the light on its own. Okay. That means it has the own light. Okay. So it gives the light to its 1. Okay. So the surface temperature of the sun is about 6000 degrees Celsius. So think how hot it will be. Okay. So for 36 degrees Celsius, and nowadays here if we see means 30 degree and 36 degree and 37 degree hot. Today 34 degree Celsius. So this hots also we are not tolerable இல்லையா இந்த ஹாட்டை நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியல தாங்கிக்க முடியல. So think about see how hot the sun will be 6000 degree Celsius. So it is the surface of the light heat energy to the entire solar system. So it gives light to the entire solar system and also energy also. Okay. So sunlight takes to reach the earth about 8.3 minutes. Okay, it takes 8.3 minutes to reach the earth. Okay, so now you know about the sun. Okay, so sun is a huge star in the solar system. Okay, so next, planets. The word planet means wanderer. Okay, so planet, the word, okay, it means wanderer. There are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, so small class onwards we are studying this one. Okay, so how many planets in the solar system? 8 planets. Very good. So there are 8 planets in the solar system. Okay, so what is that you have to say for easily you can remember. For that one small technique is there. Okay, for remembering that one you have to study. My very educated mother just showed us Neptune. Okay, so you write and keep this one. So if you then it is easy for you to say. My very educated mother just showed us Neptune. My Mercurium, very Venus, educated Earth, mother Mars. So like that you can keep it in mind. Okay, just showed us Neptune, just Jupiter, J. So showed, yes, Saturn, us, Uranus, U, Neptune, Neptune as it is. Okay, so my very educated mother just showed us Neptune. Okay, this is a easy thing. So from that first word you can remember it very easily. So first planet is Mercury, second one Venus, third one Earth, fourth one Mars, fifth one Jupiter, sixth one Saturn, seventh one Uranus, and eighth one Neptune. So all the planets rotates anti-clockwise. Okay, so all the planets rotates anti-clockwise from west to east. Okay, so clock is rotating in right side. Okay, so right way. Okay, but the planets are rotating in anti-clockwise. Okay, west to east. Okay, on the other axis expect Venus and Uranus. Okay, so one axis on their own axis expect Uranus, Venus and Uranus. Okay, the elliptical path of which the planets move around the sun is known as the orbit. Okay, elliptical path, which that means the moving path of the planets. Okay, அதாவது the way that moves in the path. Okay, அதாவது பார்த்திங்கன்னா அவங்க அது போகக்கூடிய வழி. ஓகே, பிளானட்ஸ் போகக்கூடிய அந்த வழி. ஓகே, ஸோ இன் விச் த பிளானட்ஸ் மூவ் அரவுண்ட் த சன் இஸ் நோன் அஸ் த ஆர்பிட். அதை தான் என்ன சொல்கிறோன்னா ஆர்பிட் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி சொல்கிறோம். ஓகேவா? So the 8 planets revolves in their respective orbit. So this is not classing themselves. Okay, so on that their orbit it is revolves in their orbit. 8 planets also revolves in their orbit. The 8 planets revolves in their orbit respectively. Orbit because of the gravitational pull of the sun. Okay. So why it moves on same line in the orbit means because of the gravitational force of the sun. Okay. They do not move out of their path or away from the solar system. Okay. So do not move from their way which the path which it is goes. Okay. And it moves from the solar system also. Okay. The 4 planets nearest to the sun are called inner planet. Okay, 4 planets are inner and 4 planets are outer. Okay. So which 4 planets are nearer to the sun are called inner planet or terrestrial planet. Okay. What are that planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. The inner planets are comparatively smaller in the size and are composed of rock. Okay. So mostly all the planets are composed of rock. Okay. So because as per Big Bang theory, it is burst from the sun. Okay. So it became a rock. Okay. Later because of the climatic condition, it became a rock. Okay. So surface of the inner planets as mountains, volcanoes and craters. All these things it has. Okay. And the last 4 planets are called as outer planets or Jovian planets. Inner planets are called terrestrial planets. So outer planet is otherwise called Jovian planets. Okay. So Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are called outer planet. Okay. They are also called as gaseous giant. Okay. And because it has the lots of gases too. So that's what it is called, gaseous giant. An asteroid belt is found between the Mars and Jupiter. We can see the asteroids. Okay. Okay, Kana. So next we will study about all the 8 planets. Okay. So detailing we will study about next class all the 8 planets. Okay. Up to this, if you have any doubt means you call me. Okay. Thank you, girls.